Over a period of my 4 years, like 5 years journey, I've seen like people charging in various different models. First model,
Sir, the next question is from Harsh Mehta.
Harshad Mehta or Harsh Mehta? Okay, continue. Anyways,
He asked how to reach clients for running ads and how to grow their sales business through ads,
okay.
and also how much we charge for running ads for our clients.
Okay, so Harsh, not Harshad, right? So yeah, so Harsh, there are three questions which you have asked, right? I'll try and answer one by one, and all these questions are already though answered inside my 77 days Facebook ads course. If you haven't enrolled, you must. Let's go to your questions now. So first thing, how to reach to clients for running ads. Basically, you want to get more clients on board to as you know businesses or consulting projects, so that you can charge money for running ads for them, right? So the way to do it is like there are multiple methods. Part number one would be to do webinars, educate local businesses about Facebook ads, and then towards the end of the webinar, pitch them to your services. That's one way. Second, there's the pixel method. Go and check, different websites if they're running ads on Google and they don't have pixels installed on their pages. So they're already running ads on Google. So you can pitch them for Facebook. There are a couple of more methods as well. They're like freelancer websites like Upwork, and then there is freelancer.com. You can list your services there, even fiverr.com, and then start bidding for projects. That's another way, right? And there are a couple of more ways as well. But yeah, I can't really possibly answer all of them here because it's already answered in my 77 days Facebook ads course. You must watch it if you haven't. Second question, how to grow their sales using sales business through ads. So the best way to do it is by building funnels which are appropriate for their businesses, right? You build sales funnels and then you run ads, conversion ads to it. So that's the way to do sales. And then obviously there will be a trial and error across the entire process. So you might fail initially, but then you optimize the process, you optimize copywriting of your sales funnel, you optimize the average order value, the lifetime value of the customer, and then you blast it off, right? Kind of getting technical, is it? Right? But yeah, that's the way to do it. Marketing is something which you have to understand. It's like building funnels, doing copywriting, running ads, or driving traffic through various channels, even if it's organic. That's fine. Next, how much should we charge for running ads for our clients? That's the third question, Harsh, right? So, there are different ways, different models to charge for our clients, honestly. And period of my 4 years, like 5 years journey, I've seen like people charging in various different models. First model, simply charge 10% of the ad spend. Okay? If they're spending 1 lakh rupees in ads per month, you get paid 10,000 rupees as a service charge. Pretty simple. Second would be, if you're really confident about your own services, or you're confident you're going to give results to them, then charge on as a percentage of profit. Okay, probably you say I'll take 30% of profit. Just give me 20 or 30% of profit margins, right? Pretty simple. Third, charge a fixed fee. This is like mostly recommended for people who are not confident, but then they still want to get into it. So you charge a fixed fee from your client. That could be anywhere ranging from 10,000 rupees to a few lakh rupees per month, depending on where you are in your journey, how much social proof you have, how many testimonials you have, how many clients you've worked with earlier, and how much results you have given to them. So based on that, your negotiation power, you can charge differently. And I think so. These are the things, and then there could be more models as well as we explore. But yeah, these are whole and soul. That's how people charge generally. Okay. So I hope I've answered your multiple questions, and I hope you are able to get success with this. And if you have not enrolled for 77 days Facebook ads course, it has answers to more than these questions. All right. More than these questions, way more than that. And they're structured modules, 77 of them. You get all of them at one go. You should go for that and you should consume it, and then, fast track your success towards your Facebook ads. All right. Thank you so much for asking this question, and have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.